pretty solid. I mean, I don't see any give or anything like that. It's gonna bring this down a little bit and should be okay. I mean, it's just 6 pounds of pressure, so. Okay, so we have most of it put back together. We got the water here. I put gasket, the original gasket back on. I put a gasket sealer or maker or whatever it's called. And we're gonna pour this water in. Hopefully it holds. If not, then I don't know what to do. Oh no. Oh man. You're done for. We are done for. Oh wait. I'm wrong. I didn't plug that up. Hold on. Alright, let's try again, but I'm still optimistic. I'm still not very optimistic. Nope. Right there now. And down there. So still just so much water coming out. I really don't know what to do now. I don't think I should spend any more money on this truck. Well. So that's it right there. I mean, I really don't know what to do. I guess I could go get it professionally done. But is this truck worth doing all that after getting a diagnosis and, you know, getting it actually fixed? Does the block need to come out to be machined? I don't know. I mean, too afraid to take it and see how much it is. But I think just for out of curiosity, I'm gonna go ahead and connect this blue wire and see if I can just get it cranked over. At least I won't be able to hold it very long because of the water issue. I don't want it overheating. However, I do want to see if we can get it started. So let's try that out. All right, so I got my little helper here. She is going to get the keys to the truck to start it up. Here you go. She has no seats. But a good thing about this is that she's only going to be turning the key. So leave the door open. All right, turn the key. Give it a little gas. Go ahead. All right, motivate a little bit. No, I can smell the gas. Okay, go for it. Come on. All right, hold on. Give it a second. Go for it. All right, stop. So it looks like there's no gas coming through. Try it again. All right, stop. Just see if it'll crank just a little bit. Oh, keep going. Oh, man. Hold on. Oh, she wants to go. We just need some gas. Go for it. Oh, come on, come on. All right. Oh, we were so close. We were so close. All right, one more time. One more time. I'm gonna go for it. Okay, okay. Oh, almost there, right?
Yeah.
You almost got it, right?
Almost.
So it's something other than, so I think it's a fuel pump. The fuel pump could be because I didn't see any fuel coming in through the needles at all. I probably need to check the firing order as well because I felt some blowback. I did put a little bit of gas in there, so hopefully that helped. But I feel like we're getting really close to getting started. I don't know if I want to keep it or not, though. If I get it started, then maybe, but I think we need to take apart the intake manifold. It probably get the block machined. That sounds expensive, so I don't know if I want to do that. But we're going to keep hacking away at it, or it might go on Facebook Market and just get a couple of bucks for it, you know. Put it towards the Supra right here. Maybe get a carbon fiber hood. I'm not too sure, but right now we're so close, but so very far away. So I don't know. Let's figure it out.
The next day.
All right, so got a starting fluid. Got it open. I'm gonna see if we can go ahead and just get this thing cranked up. So, ooh, the wind's blowing. Wish me luck. Go ahead, Chim. Woo! All right, go for it. All right, go for it, Chim. We got it running. Okay, so she runs, she starts. So all we need to do is figure out the head issue and why it's leaking so much. But there it is. She runs. I'm very happy about that. That gives me so much optimism. So that is awesome. So that was very exciting. It motivates me even more knowing that it actually starts and runs and it's holding its own. Now I know the head is probably what's going on. It's probably not the intake manifold, it's the head. I did find this head on sale, so it looks like it's a complete head. If not, then I'll just transfer everything over to the new head from the old head. And how many times have I had said head already? But anyway, that's what we're looking at doing next. So I'm very excited to see where this is going to go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.